Hello stalkers, welcome back to the channel where you get regular updates on Dubai and Abu Dhabi stock market. Just to remind you, we are only left with 2 more trading sessions for the year 2024. I will definitely upload a complete review for the whole year, but for now let's start analyzing DFM market index, that is Dubai Financial Market. I'm on the weekly chart. Weekly candle is looking very promising. Market has broken the resistance. Best part is we are seeing a closing above the first resistance, that is 5,115 points. Next area of resistance that I have identified is 5,190. Just a quick recap. Last week market tried for a breakout, it got rejected, but still candle was very promising, and last week we saw a follow through. This gives us another indication market still wants to continue upside. In this scenario, there are very good chances market may break out 5,190 and then possibly we may see a correction. Looking at the strength of DFM market index, check this out, it's been phenomenal. It's been on a crazy bull run. We can see a strong rally from 3,940 points, a strong move to the upside, correction, strong move to the upside. On the way up on this strong move, we can see 2 red candles. These were just pauses, and from here we are seeing a fresh momentum. This is one of the big candle in the whole bull run. So this is looking very promising. I'm expecting more upside momentum. On the weekly chart, to summarize, definitely no signs of bears, no signs of weakness. It's in a strong upside momentum. Let's go down to daily and see how the chart is looking. If you're watching my analysis regularly, hit the like button guys to show your support. Check this out. As I have been repeatedly mentioning, market is going up, it's taking pause. We can call this contraction of volatility or correction. Again, a strong move. Sideways momentum, similar scenario is been repeated again and again. We can see recently after this strong solid green candle, market went sideways for about a week, and now we are seeing a breakout of resistance. This is again very positive. There are good chances 2024 DFM will close on a positive note, and there are chances it can even break out this resistance most likely. On the daily chart too, DFM is very strong. I'm a bit disappointed with ADX market. This is the weekly chart of Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. Last week's candle was positive. We were expecting a continuation, a follow through. In fact, we saw as well. Market went up till about 9,459 points, got rejected. It was not able to sustain and it dropped down to close red. Closing is below the resistance, that is 9,352. Last closing reading is at 9,327 points. Lately, market has been trading within this wedge pattern. We can see this is the support area. This is the resistance that I have been talking about. A strong drop to the downside, sideways momentum, and now market is gearing up for a breakout. If at all it breaks this resistance or this trend line, then I'm expecting a nice momentum to the upside. It can even break past 9,563 points. That is next identified resistance. Need of the hour is to see some strength before the year end. Hopefully ADX can show some strength and we can see a breakout, and then when we enter in the year 2025 we want to see a follow through. As of now, ADX market is bit under pressure. We are waiting for a breakout. After this recovery, it's trading in this wedge pattern. Let's go down to daily and see how the chart is looking. In the last 3 trading sessions, we are seeing rejection candles, red candles. There are good chances it wants to touch the base again. If you remember earlier, this area was resistance between 9,300 to 9,330. Now it's approaching this same zone again. There are chances either it can bounce up from here or it can come down to retest the trend line. This is the trend line that has been tested again and again. So there are chances either it may bounce up from current zone around 9,300 to 9,330, or it can come down to touch the trend line that is around 9,270 points. Let's see how it performs coming week, and let's see how the closing is for the year 2024. Overall, even on the daily chart, it's looking a bit weaker. One of the stock that is looking very promising is Salik. Obviously, there are many opportunities in DFM as of now, so let's focus more in DFM. After a strong move to the upside, we are seeing some correction and looking at the last few weeks, we can see correction is almost over. We can see a breakout in Friday's session with good volumes. High of this candle that was around 5.83. After this, market started to come down. We are seeing a correction phase of this leg up. We can see small candles, tiny candles with low volumes. I was a bit skeptical in this area. There were chances of a drop, but thankfully market has sustained and there are very good chances we may see a follow through coming week. Salik is looking very strong, very powerful. It's above 5.00. We never thought Salik would travel so high. So plan of action should be very simple. If it opens flat or with a gap up, we can take a position and we will plan the stop loss exactly below the low of the candle at around 5.16. From here, I think very soon it will touch 6.00, but before that we have resistance area around 5.80. We can offload some of the quantities here and then let our profits run. Obviously, our stop loss should be trailed up as we see price going up, so that in case if it reverses, we can take the gains. Otherwise, there are chances anytime if it goes up, hits the resistance, comes down aggressively the way we saw in this phase. So when the market gives us profit, definitely we have to book it. Otherwise, market will take the money that it has given us. Hit the like button if today's video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.